How to install a dishwasher. This is where the dishwasher will go. You must have electricity coming here, and a hole to reach the kitchen sink piping. This is the electrical box attached to the dishwasher. Make sure there is no electricity coming to this cable before you play with it. Insert the cord inside the electrical box. You must make it all inside up to the jacket, so the crimping tools crimp on it. Now cut the wire to set them not too long. Remove an inch of the jacket on every wire. Collect them all according to the same color on the dishwasher cable. Black with black, white with white, and the green with the ground, which is this one. Now, reclose this box. The electrical part is now over. Then, you should have two pipes coming from the dishwasher. This one is the water coming out, and this one is the water coming in. Pass them to the sink side. They might be quite tight. Push the dishwasher inside the hole to get more. You see? You now have more piping. You may have a valve looking like this one to connect the coming in water pipe. I hope you have one, because if you don't, I do not have any how-to video to show you how to install one. So just tighten it very hard. Use a tool, not just your hand, or you will have water spilling everywhere. And now, we have our other pipe. Install a crimping collar on it. Then, insert it on the sink piping. This is the input. You should have something looking like this. I hope so. Crimp it really hard. If this falls, all of the dirty water of the dishwasher will finish under your sink. You can now open the valve. To fix the dishwasher, you may have this kind of bracket. Push the dishwasher inside the hole. As you can see, it's not high enough. You should find a system at the bottom of the dishwasher to high up the back paws. For the front one, ask a friend to hold the dishwasher while you adjust them. You can now screw the bracket in place. Make sure your screw is not too long. Set the footer in place. Now set the power back on from the breaker panel. And your dishwasher is ready to work. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there, it's from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!